Hi my dear students, welcome back to the class. The last video we have discussed about what the states of matter we have discussed and the kinetic theory of states of matter also discussed. Then afterward the surface tension, then formation of meniscus in liquids containing in narrow vessels also. Okay, so today we are going to discussing this topic is the liquid pressure on kinetic model. Okay, clear? The molecules of a liquid in a vessels are not stationary but move about randomly, okay, in all possible direction. In doing so, the molecules of liquid strike against the sides of the containing vessels and hence exert some specific force. This force exerted per unit area on the sides of contained vessels is the cause of liquid pressure. Is it clear? See, when the liquid is not stationary, okay, but move about randomly in all possible directions, okay, so it makes what the liquid pressure. Okay, clear? Yes. And next is explanation of gas pressure on kinetic model. So the molecules of a gas contained in a closed vessels are not necessary, okay, but move about randomly in all possible directions. In doing so, the molecules of gas strike against the side of containing vessels and hence exert some specific force. This force exerted per unit area of a side of a contained vessels is cause of what? Gas pressure. Okay. So I hope all of you understood about this gas pressure. Yes. Next we are going to discussing effect of reducing the volume of a gas on pressure in a closed vessel. Okay. So see the cylinders that's filled with what? Air. Okay, and thus are fitted with a meter to record the pressure of air and an airtight piston also there in above. Okay, yes. So let the volume of the enclosed gas we will take about how much, that is 20 centimeter cube. Just think about. Okay, and the pressure is 760 centimeter of mercury as okay, mercury. And next is let the gas be compressed by a force F that its volume decreases to 10 centimeter cube. It is observed that reading on the pressure meter will be how much? Yes, 1520 centimeter of mercury. That is, the pressure becomes double the initial pressure. So this discussion, what you can be conclude? Yes, the decrease in volume of an enclosed gas, its pressure increases. The decrease the volume of an enclosed gas, its pressure increases. Okay. So why does this happen? See, when the gas is compressed to half its initial volume, the number of molecules per unit volume of the gas also become double. Okay, so the number of molecules, double the number of molecules strike against the side of enclosed vessels. See the figure, that arrow mark shows what sides, okay, thereby exerting double the amount of force. So as the force acting per unit area of the sides of the containing vessel, that's doubles. So therefore the pressure of the enclosed gas, that is doubles. Okay, clear? So the volume of the enclosed gas is also doubled. Okay, I hope all of you understood this topic. Okay, thank you.